to support your mouth, throat, and overall digestive health. And I like to use doTERRA's veggie capsules right here. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of Ylang Ylang essential oil. Ylang Ylang essential oil is derived from the star-shaped flowers of the tropical Ylang Ylang tree and is used extensively in making perfumes and aromatherapy. Similar to jasmine, Ylang Ylang has been used for centuries in religious and wedding ceremonies. In aromatherapy, Ylang Ylang is used to lessen tension and to promote a positive outlook. Ylang Ylang is frequently used in luxurious hair and skincare products for its scent and nourishing and protective properties. Taken internally, Ylang Ylang provides antioxidant support as well. Ylang Ylang blends well with bergamot, geranium, grapefruit, and vetiver. The top 3 common uses of doTERRA's Ylang Ylang essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of Ylang Ylang are that it uplifts your mood, reduces daily stress, and promotes healthy and shiny hair. The directions for use are adding 1 to 2 drops of this oil with fractionated coconut oil and rubbing it into your hair as a natural DIY or do-it-yourself conditioner. And then doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil is a great choice for that. So this is a carrier oil, non-greasy, no smell, allows the essential oil to absorb better into the scalp and your skin. It reduces the chance of irritation when used with the fractionated coconut oil or FCO, and also covers larger surface areas of your body, which is particularly helpful for your head. And then you can also diffuse 6 to 10 drops in an 8-hour diffuser, like the doTERRA Aroma Light diffuser or even the Lumo diffuser. And then finally, you can take 1 to 2 drops of the Ylang Ylang in a veggie capsule morning and night to support your mouth, throat, and overall digestive health. And I like to use doTERRA's veggie capsules right here. And so you would just take one of the capsules out, like so. You'd put the essential oil inside, and then you take with food and water for best results. Whoa! Hello. Take it with food and water for best results. And I like to use whole plant foods as well as reverse osmosis, alkaline, or distilled water. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.